everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming with you today with another quick tip Monday. And for this tip is how to take care of your blocks and clean your blocks. I don't know, but my blocks are nasty. And they get that way over time from using them. And I'm going to show you how I clean them fairly quickly. I take some hand sterilizer. This is from the dollar store and it works perfectly fine. And I just give it a couple pumps. Oops, that went flying. And then I take and I rub my hands first so it's kind of all over it. I use my fingers, get it on there. And you have to do this to both sides because one side, you know, might not be as bad. And then I just rub them, and where there's extra rubbing, and it's probably more on the other side right now, so I won't know until I flip it over. So I kind of clean this side the best that I think that it looks. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to clean this side. And I could tell that the stuff is on this side more. And then I'm just going to keep doing this. Rub it with your nail wherever you think you need to. And then I'm just rubbing it in. Now you can go to the kitchen sink, probably use some soap and water. I'd never done that, so I shouldn't say. I don't know what it would, if it would make your blocks oily or not, but I think I like this because the hand sterilizer just clears it up like in no time, and it's alcohol, so it really kind of cleans the blocks and you can go back and forth. I mean, that block is shining now like a baby. See how clean that, well, I can't show you with my hand in the way, but see how wonderful and clean it is? So that is how I would end up doing this block. I would just do the same thing, just squirt it up, and then I just rub it around. I sometimes forget, I gotta rub it around with my finger. And then you just rub it in with this, and you kind of just keep rubbing it. And then you're going to take it and flip it over so we can get this side. And I rub it up. It's a good job if you have little kids. If you have or someone, teenager comes to you and say they're bored, say here. Or a little kid that you want, that comes over and visits and want them to clean your block. Now this block is scratched up more, but it came, all the gook and gummies came off it. But that's how I clean my blocks. And I would just continue until they were all nice and sparkly clean. So I hope you got something out of today's tip. And I really appreciate you stopping by. Hope you give me the like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the description box below on how you clean your Stampin' Up! Blocks or whatever blocks you use. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.